beautiful people. This is Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani from Kirti Tarot Angel and Consultancy and Classes. Today I am going to do the readings from the Akashic Tarot cards, and these are one of the beautiful cards which I have been connected by Sharon Annie Clenger and Sandra Annie Taylor, and these are so beautiful cards. Like, I have really been connected and been doing the readings with the cards, and these readings have been amazingly wonderful. So today I am being guided to do the reading for you all from these cards. So for that I would ask you to please choose your card, and I will be doing the reading from number 1, number 2 and number 3. So you can choose your card, and based on that card you can see your readings. So this is number 1 card, and this is the number 2 card, and this is the number 3 card. So let's start with the number 1 card. What does it say? Let's see. So number 1 card, it shows the Queen of the Keys, a queen who is dressed in a gown of rich colors and textures, which itself shows that she is on the top of the tower of her great castle, which also shows that she is happily looking all around the vibrant hills and the beautiful distance her husband returns from there. You can also see that she is looking happy and she is holding something in her hand. So in that it means that there is something waiting for you. So the way looking at the card, the way this queen is very beautiful, looking happy. So that means this card represents the person with authority, the person who is very sensitive and very helpful by nature and thoughtful. You are definitely going to get some help. You have to be confident. It's the time for you to celebrate. Something good is coming your way. You are already happy. Your intuitions are already talking to you. You are already thinking that something is going to come your way. If you are thinking to shift your house, if you're thinking to buy a new house, if you are thinking of moving from one place to another, this is the perfect time for you to go ahead. If you are thinking something to invest in banking, investment, real estate, or managing something, then please go ahead. This is the right time for you to progress. Self-employment in any industry could also be at hand. So there are the chances of greater financial independence, increased authority, and creative autonomy at work. There is also, it shows that you are going to get a promotion or some celebration at your workplace is going to take place, or you are going to meet your old friend with whom seeing that you are going to feel happy with it. So this card overall talks about all the happiness around which is going to come in our way. So how beautiful the card is. You can also see the clarity and the texture of the card, and the vibrations of the card is so beautiful. You can actually make it out, the energies and vibrations of the card. So this shows that this is the abundance showing in our way coming, and lots of opportunities, lots of proposals or offers going to come also. Also, yes, I want to say in this card is Those who have chosen this card, and if looking out for grooms or looking out for the marriage proposals, this is the time when things are just going to transform and get converted, and it is going to come in your favor. So in it is showing things are going to get converted, and definitely going something is going to come your way. Alright, this was for the card number 1. Coming to card number 2. The card number 2, it shows that Hilarion. Hilarion here, if you see, this is a beautiful card seen here with spirit and the implements of something study going on. That means if you see around that there are different spirits around this person, that means the person who has asked to get the blessings, that means you have something in your mind in regards to your people who have left for the heaven, and they have actually come down to give you the blessings. And also it shows that it is like the angels and the masters and the spiritual guides are actually blessing you. This card is telling you that assistance by your heavenly spirit guides are blessing you to work ahead. And if you are working on a project that requires research, a strong academy, you can actually approach and take it ahead. It is showing that the angels, masters, spirit guides and sisters, they have come down to help you to achieve whatever you want to. So it's time to open to this master's energy. If you have a job that involves any type of evidence detection and drawing conclusions from that discovery, so this is the time for you, that the scientific research and mediumship is come to you, and you are getting blessed by your angels, your masters, your spirit guides, your ancestors. So just be relaxed and ask your ancestors to help you. Also, this card shows that from very long time you were actually missing your ancestors. You were also wanted to call upon them, ask some guidance, you were missing them. So here by this card they have come to you to reach out to you by giving you the message and saying you hi. So they are just saying you should not get hesitated to by calling us. We are always there to help you and guide you, to give you the right direction. So they are saying just call upon us. We will always be there around to help you in your difficult times. Also, you can see that the book itself shows that if you have decided to go ahead with your further studies or gaining some more knowledge, or if you have decided to take further education, then please go ahead. Also, if you want to start anything with the education, this is the right time for you to go ahead. So please follow your dreams. Don't hesitate. Just call upon your ancestors, guides or angels, whoever you believe, they are there with you to help you. So you need not have to worry about it, because they are always there to guide you, support you and help you. Alright, let's go to the next card that says the journey. It means that if you have this card itself means there is journey going to take place which is pending from long. you were actually waiting to start, you were actually waiting to shift, relocate, or shifting from one place to another, or you were actually thinking to start a new project, or you were actually waiting for the opportunities to come. So this is the right time for you. The people who have selected the card number 3, it shows that there is the journey taking place, there is some new opportunity taking place, there is the shift of job, the change of job within 7 months, 3 to 7 months. There is some new project coming your way, there is the shifting of the house. Also it shows that your burden is also going to get released. You can see that there is lots of activity taking place. It means the activity which was on hold from long, it is going to go further, and lots of things are going to change for you. So you need not have to worry about your progress or your work or your career or your money path, because time is come that it has started progressing little bit, and it will keep on moving more. And if you are thinking that which direction I should go, then in that case please follow your intuition, please follow your guidance which is already coming to you. It is also showing that just follow your pathways, just see to it what is the message coming your way is definitely going to help you. Just follow your intuition, it will be very successful. And the overall message I would like to the overall thing for you all I can say is, just close your eyes, allow yourself and feel yourself filled with all the gifts you have to share with the world. Sense those energies pour through your heart and mind and out to the people around you. Feel the ease of this sharing. Feel that you cannot get drained, and you are just following your dreams coming your way, and the angels are guiding you. You give flows back to you unceasingly to create return to this sharing frequently. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you are looking out for more messages on daily basis, please like, share, subscribe to my channel so that I can also get motivated to keep on sharing more and more videos with you, and with different cards as well as the guidances with different ways, sometimes with the cards, sometimes with the crystals, sometimes with the angels, sometimes with the towers, depending upon what I'm guided with. So just please like, share, subscribe to my channel, as well as on my Facebook. Follow me on my Facebook to get lots and lots of updates. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you from Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani from Kirti Tarot Angel Consultancy and Classes. Thank you.